What's up, guys? Welcome to my first ever video, like long form video, like where I'm actually talking. This is insane. I'm on my computer. Some people used to know me as Saquon as him. I hated that so much. No views on it. So now I'm on this account. So I'm playing on this. Holy, what the fuck? I'm playing on an old Xbox controller because it's the only controller that can link up. I can't even be, bro. Alright, wait. Let me do this on my. Let's just do play. We're gonna be trying to be the best because I haven't played in a while, and we're gonna be trying to get to level 99, baby. Yeah, that's my challenge. That's gonna be doing. Like, this is my first time ever doing this, bro. I'm just, like, oh god. I feel like I'm live streaming. Holy, I do not remember being this loud. But these are pretty loud headphones. Is that me? If you guys want to be part of the series, name that after. Block that. Is that blocked? I don't know how to do that. Because this controller is garbage. See, I used to play this game. Yo. Damn it! Five hours ago, I was so sick. Now I feel so much better. Why the Yes! Why is he always open? He's still gonna chuck it up. Did crash, chuck it up. Oh, fuck. Alright, guys. Look, I'm guarding two people. That's not head tap. That's not head tap. I'm telling you, that's not head tap. But I'm gonna block this stuff. Because I like that! Oh, I haven't gained it overall! I thought I was voting for Trump. Please throw it up to me. Look at me wide open. Like, why? I gotta stop this. I gotta stop disrespecting people. Who did we get first? Oh. Here. I'm playing in the area where there's basically no target glitch. So I'm chilling on computer club. And the only way I can record is by. I don't know what the little pocket points down there. But how do I get up there? Either record the gameplay and I just don't speak, or I just. Motherfucker! Don't worry, I'm gonna get this, motherfucker! I'm so. I'm fucking scared. Who are these AR? I calibrate. Yeah. That looks good. That's not good. That's worse. Well, what am I gonna do? Oh, 22. That's really good. Let's go school. Hut. Yeah. Bro, let's go. Even though my game's so fucking laggy, it doesn't matter. Go! Bro, we're gonna come back. The Corebox Codars. Oh, fuck. Let's go! I gotta get to the streets of Rah! Damn it! Damn it! Bro, I'm gonna take the fucking I haven't played this game in about 3 months. Holy shit, he actually rushed. Oh, that scored! No! Fucking... Can I at least block it? Hey! Hey!
What an exciting game so far. The second half is about to get underway.
She gon' call me baby boo. 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 I don't know what to do. There's no room. In my house, I can record. Oh, what? Why would you get... Please tell me I'm still quarterback. Every time... Fuck! What? It's okay. I make mistakes. Bro, I can't listen to music because you guys are just gonna hear it. And that's the bad part. I got that unlock. Oh, fuck. That was close. I feel like he's gonna rush. I guess. I don't think so. I got that shit on straps. This is on straps, motherfucker. And he rushes. I did not. Oh, fuck. I thought that would work. Who the fuck is 73? Bro. Oh my god! So lucky. Ah, get him! No! Yes! Today's an off day. No. Yes, 90! No, 90. Yes, 90! Where the fuck are you going? What the fuck? You made me go down. I'm fucking scared. Don't worry, don't. I got him. What? What? Oh my god! Holy shit! How the fuck do you catch that? What the fuck is our kicker doing? I guess I'm a kicker too. Baby. Bouncy baby. Oh shit! Yeah! Good catch! Good catch, dude. Fucking pass. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah. I think I over. I just over. I don't. Yes. Why do I? Why not? Keep teleporting. He's gone. Well, we might as well. I don't think I need that. Customize board. How am I gonna get to a 99 overall? That's so good.
What a game! The crowd is still on their feet after that incredible finish. That's the kind of football you'll be talking about for years to come.
Yeah! 50 to 8! 7. I guess that's kind of good. How do I check my levels? How do I check that? Oh, I can buy something? It's definitely customized. Nope. How do I get to it? Am I stupid or something? Oh, I'm saving more. What the? Team action. Please. I'm have to tick, pop it, tick, pop it. Oh. Damn it, I thought.
Just over 2 minutes so far at this point.
I swear, the 44 leaves were down. A guy! Let's get this done! We got 65!
It's a perfect day for football out here today. The crowd's ready, the players are ready. Let's have a great game.
What? Bentley's got some bullshitting. I think we got that. Fuck! What? Why am I 34? Why? What happened? One screen! Yes! I love it!
Here's the This has gotten the 18 Serious. Sensible numbers, he said. Not very many. Vince, broadcast the authority.
I'm just not gonna speak.
Good.
Alright, yeah, maybe I should fucking speak. Oh my god. Yes! Get him! What? Yeah, I got him. I'm terrified. Oh, guys, don't worry, I got this. Jordan Davis. Yeah, right. Why am I not returning? Yeah, I'm scared. No, no, no. Yeah, I'm fucking losing. Never wrote me quarterback again. Cause I'm a wide receiver. Yeah. What was I even singing? We're there, bro. Look at that dime, bro. Yeah, I'm not catching that. Yeah, it's been broken. One time. Yeah, I'm done. I'm out. You want to be team captain? Thank you. Alright, if we could get to level 30. Well, I gotta finish this game so I can get to see. I'm gonna get to it. Yeah! Kick it! Yeah! Yeah! Wait, let me put up the ball real quick. Oh shit! I get it. Why? I would instantly get it, God. Yo, stop force winning. Dude, you know that they're never gonna win a game. What? So they were 41 overall. Actually, zero. Come on, we got it. Where do I check? No. Yes! Yes! Damn it! Oh, my boys. Dang it. Nah, fuck you guys. Look! You guys can't even hear it. I'm fucking with them. No! It's fine. Yep. Lock. Die! I can't even fight. Wait, can I? Holy. I need to move it. Got him. Is that Tracy McGrady on the Lakers? Who the fuck is Todd Weber? Alright, wait, here we go. Locked. No way! I could also play Fortnite. Oh my god, you fuckers. Alright, let's go. Let's get this going. Let's get back later. You got wait, that? With that? What? I didn't look for 1 second ever. He died for the first. It should be my turn. It should be my turn. Right? Oh my god! Alright, I'm done.